Hello, I wanted to come in and give you 3 quick tips to help you on your journey for self-improvement after a breakup. Okay, so it's very hard to adjust after a breakup, but we can take this opportunity for personal development, right? For personal growth. So, 3 quick things that we can do, or 3 things that we can do to be able to help ourselves through is the first thing is focus on what you can control. All righty. So, for example, what you put your energy into, right? Put your energy into things that you want to grow, right? So, it's important for you to focus on that, right? Also, the areas of your life that you want to improve, right? That can be your professional life, your friendships, it could be your family life, but the things that you want to improve, you can now start to put your focus there. All right. And then you can implement boundaries for your peace, right? So the types of conversations that you allow around you that you have, um, you can limit it to make sure that you are having the peace that you need. Okay, so the first step is focus on what you can control. The second step that you can do is create your support system. Okay, your support system really is going to help you get through this very difficult time in your life. So, have people around you, family, friends, professionals like a therapist, um, other individuals that's really going to pour into you. That's going to be a safe space for you to be vulnerable, for you to be your authentic self, for you to have your healthy distractions that you're really going to need during this time. All righty. So that support system is pivotal, right? And then the third thing that's really going to help you on your personal growth journey after a breakup is doing what makes you happy. Hello. Right? So making sure that you're doing some things like reconnecting with loved ones, with friends, with hobbies, right? That really spoke to you and made you feel good. Things that you want to try that you've never tried before. I then identifying different activities and company that makes you feel good, right? Start to spend time with your loved ones, with your friends, with even in the areas that you want to grow, start doing more of those things, listening to different podcasts or reading different books, different things that's going to help you get where you really want to be. Right. So, yes, it's really difficult to adjust after a breakup, but this time can really help you to be able to be like that next level you, right? Be a brand new version of you. So take the time to focus on what you can control, to create that support system that you need, and to do the things that really makes you happy. All right. Until next time, be intentionally hopeful and authentically you. Take care.